guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ishita and I make a lot of videos about fashion, styling, shopping recommendations. I do a lot of must-have videos and a lot of you guys seem to love it. So if you're new here and you haven't watched my content yet, I would request you to check out my other videos on my channel homepage. And if you like what you see here, do hit that like, share, subscribe button as well. Now, what you order versus what you got, this is a format that's been done quite a bit on YouTube, but I haven't done it on my channel yet. So I thought it would be the perfect time to pick out stuff from Urbanic since Shein is no longer in India. And Urbanic is now available on Myntra, by the way, so I got everything from Myntra, because if you order from the Urbanic website, it takes a long time to get delivered to you. I'd done a sweatshirt haul from them last year or something. It took me 3 to 4 weeks to get that stuff, but having it on Myntra has just made it super easy to get the stuff in time. I picked out like t-shirts, dresses and a lot of things. I think I did like 50% of what I ordered, but I will let you guys, I'm not going to give you any spoilers, I will let you guys see what I got. And without wasting any more time, let's get started. So the first thing that I got is actually the dress that I'm wearing right now, and this is a green and white tropical print belted A-line dress. You can wear it without the belt as well, but I don't think it really flatters my body, so I will always wear it with the belt. The belt, however, could have been longer. It's very tiny, like the bow over here is damn like tiny. I wish the belt was longer. On the website, there was also the model wearing it on her neck, the belt. I just don't think that's my vibe, so I would never wear it like that. But overall, I think the dress is really nice. It's perfect for summers. It's a great, easy, breezy wear. But do I think it's worth the price? I think I spent about 1,000 rupees on it. Right now, it's for 800 on Myntra, but I got it for 1,000 rupees. I really don't think it's worth spending 1,000 rupees on. This is something, the material is such that I feel like you can get something like this in Sarojini Nagar or Hill Road for like 350 rupees or 250 rupees. But overall, I think I do like this dress and I may not end up returning it. If I had to rate it out of 10, I would rate it a 7 on 10. Okay, next up, this top, don't think twice, just go for it. I absolutely love it. It's a one-shoulder asymmetric crop top. I got it a couple of days back in the size small. The size is perfect for me. I can pair it with literally jeans, pants, trousers, whatever I want. I have no bad things to say about it. So hands down, a 10 on 10 for this one. Moving on, the second thing that I got was this cropped blue and pink t-shirt. I really like the color, so compared to what I saw on the website, the color is pretty much exactly how they show it on the website. I love the graphic print. I love the color combination, to be honest. But I ordered it in a size small, which usually is my size. This was super tight for me and I think it's super cropped as well. I feel like if I put my hands up, the t-shirt will slide up eventually. I should have ordered a size medium in this. You will have to wear this with high-waisted jeans or high-waisted pants because it is quite cropped, like I said. The material of this is super soft and nice, so 10 on 10 for that. Overall, if I'm going to rate it, it would be a 7 on 10 again, just because this is not my size. With Urbanic, I've realized that it's a hit and trial method. Sometimes a small would fit you really well and sometimes a medium would be really tight for you. So you have to figure that out on your own because the measurements are not always exact. But I really like blue and pink combination. Next up, I got these jeans. Now this is just not my vibe at all. It's very Gen Z and honestly, मैं ऐसी jeans कभी नहीं पहनूंगी. This is like color blocked with these raw edges. I was on the fence about getting it, but I thought why not? Let's see कैसी fitting, like how it looks. And I have come to a conclusion that it will look good only in photos. If it is something that you want for your Instagram, OOTD, it would be great for that. But मैं honestly कभी real life में ये jeans नहीं पहनूंगी. 10 on 10 for the sizing and the fitting. They actually got the size pretty exact. I ordered it in 28. And this was a medium and they said a medium is 28, so they got the sizing right. But just overall, I don't like these jeans at all and I'm never going to wear them. Next up, I picked up this dress, another one that I was really excited about. Right now it's all strings, so it is kind of confusing, but let's see how I'm able to put this on. I don't know if the cloth or the material of this dress is really flattering my body, and you would definitely need some help to get the dress symmetrically sitting on you because you need to tie it around. I really like the design and the style of this dress. Material, not so sure, but I would definitely tell you guys to try it out. It may look good on you. I am pretty happy with this dress. I'm definitely not returning it. Next up, I got this crop top. It's like a corset bustier sort of a top. And I did not expect the material to be so flimsy. Matlab, it's not going to sit well on my bust area at all. This was in the size, I think, small only I ordered, and it's so loose for me. The sleeves I really like. The design and the style of the top, I'm a fan, so 10 on 10 for that. But the material they've used is polyester first of all, and they don't have that silicone thing on the bust area, which basically helps the top sit really well and stay there for a long time. Just because of how flimsy this material is, I'm going to rate it like a 3 on 10. Definitely going to have to return this. It doesn't fit me well. The material is very thin. It's polyester. I was expecting a more stiffer material. I really like the style of the top, like I said, and I wish they've used a better material for this. Next up, I got a Playsuit, and I was very excited about this one because I've seen a lot of TikTok girls wear it, and the Kardashians, especially Kim, wears it so much. And I wanted to try these trendy Playsuits. Now I ordered a size medium because the size measurement chart said that medium would be for me, but it is so loose. I literally have to hold it from behind while shooting this video because there is no way I can wear this otherwise. If it was my size and it fit really well, I would have given it a 10 on 10 because I really like how trendy this looks. You can also pair it with pants, and the cutout over here would look really chic. But as of now, I'm really not happy with the sizing. Like I said, it is definitely hit and try with Urbanic. So yeah, I'm returning this as well. Next up, I picked out a red dress. I realized I don't have any red dresses, so I wanted to get this. The material is very flattering on my body, so I love it. By the way, exactly as they showed on the Myntra product page. So thumbs up for that. I find the slit in the front really odd. I feel like maybe if it was a knee-length dress and the fitting was the same, if it was a bodycon like knee-length dress, it would have looked really nice. If you have like some special occasion that you're looking for an affordable red dress, you can definitely go for this one. Maybe even get it altered because I do think a shorter dress of this sort would look really good. So this wraps up the video. To give you guys my final verdict, I think Urbanic is a brand that you must try. You get trendy, stylish, on-point clothes at some really good prices. However, it can be a little dicey and a hit and trial at times, especially with the sizing. Overall, I would say that do give it a try. All the product links, like I said, will be in the description box for you guys, so it will become easier for you to pick out all of these in case you want to try these out. And if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button. I'd love for you guys to join my YouTube fam. That's it for today. I will see you guys soon, and bye-bye.